Hey friends, if you wish to play DVD movies on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So DVD used to be a very popular format, but now it is not a popular format because it has been uh, replaced, or I would rather say it is a very obsolete format now. So people do not use it much. Now if you wish to use it, here's what can be done in this case. First of all, search for store in the Windows search bar, and then go to Microsoft Store. Now search for the word VLC. Go to the VLC app, install this app, and then run the DVD file from this app. Okay, let's say this was a DVD file. Right click on it, select open with, and select VLC from this option to run it. That's the only way that you can use. You can play DVD movies, or you can use some other third-party app, but there is no inbuilt app on Windows to help you with the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.